Welcome back to our channel. Our topic for today is population size and composition, causes of high growth and demographic dividend. Introduction. Population is an important element in the economic development of a country. The population of India is one of the largest in the world. A large population provides labor force and market opportunities, but rapid population growth also creates pressure on resources, employment, food supply, housing, education, and healthcare. Population refers to the total number of people living in a country at a particular time. Population size refers to the total number of people living in a country. India has one of the world's largest populations. Large population provides labor force, consumer market, human resources. Causes of population growth in India. Death rate. The death rate decreased due to improved medical facilities, vaccination, sanitation, and nutrition, while the birth rate remained high, leading to rapid population growth. High birth rate remained high because of early marriages, lack of awareness and preference for large families, result in rapid increase in population. Illiteracy. Illiterate people are often unaware of family planning methods. They don't understand about the problems arise due to the growth of the population. They are least aware about the ways to control population. Poverty. As most of the people are below the poverty line, they tend to give birth to more children as they will support the family by earning. Poor families consider children as earning members and support in old age. Religious and social beliefs. People consider children as the gift provided by the God. So, they don't follow the concept of family planning. Lack of family planning awareness, limited knowledge and access to contraceptive methods. Improvement in life expectancy. People live longer due to better healthcare and nutrition. Male child. Indian family believes that the male child continues the legacy. Constant attempt to have a male child results in number of female child. Demographic dividend. Demographic dividend refers to the economic benefit arising from an increase in the proportion of working age population compared to dependent population. It occurs when birth rate declines. Working age population becomes larger than dependent population. Features of demographic dividend: large youth population, increased labor force, higher savings and investments, greater economic productivity. Advantages of demographic dividend. 1. Economic growth. A larger workforce increases production and national income. Though increased savings, working people save more, leading to higher investment. 3. Expansion of market. More earning people increase demand for goods and services. 4. Innovation and productivity. Young population adopts technology and innovation faster. 5. Global employment opportunities. Skilled youth can work in international markets. Measures to utilize demographic dividend: improve education and skill development, increase employment opportunities, promote industrial and service sector growth, encourage women participation in workforce, improve healthcare facilities. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. See you in the next one.